I can't see them coming down my eyes, as if my eyes are dry. Still in pain, used to fighting the tears. And in my veins, maybe nothing but beer, maybe nothing but stress hormones. I know it's cortisol. I saw the street preacher, but he never caught a soul. Sugar daddy with a teenager, he 44. She had an iPhone, I wonder if he bought it for her. But her sister has a cheaper one, I had to compare. But my judging ain't above him. I'm in them tipsy too. We all need a lovin', but the devil's spitting fire like a dragon. We just need some love, need a little hugging. Send the vendors now escaping from the cops in town. Wish the government could see it as an option now. Please invest in me, I swear you see the best in me. The economy been crapping on my destiny, love. They been tripping on my destiny. The world is full of evil and the situation testing me. Love. I'm just trying to give the best of me. My dreams they could believe in, but I see him saying rest in peace. Love. Cause the world need love. Cause the world need love. Cause the world need love. You know why dogs never go beyond the doorstep. In Africa where they may end up with a sore back. Trauma, plenty memories been full of drama. I'm surprised that we leave ain't never win an armor. Let's discuss a male at the early age of 6. Not allowed to cry as a bully slap his chick. I internalize emotion, I believe it's weak. Enough evidence for proving that the world is sick. Need to heal like Lauren, cause our voice is stolen. And I know it's been a journey, but the step and falling. I receive my calling, being afraid to take it. Cause the devil sends your own to say you'd never make it. But some of my friends truly have just been amazing. Praying hard for me, even for this path I'm chasing. I begin the journey praying I can end it safely. But if I die, all my students will replace me. They been tripping on my destiny. The world is full of evil and the situation testing me. Love. I'm just trying to give the best of me. My dreams they could believe in, but I see him saying rest in peace.